Need to reset BleachBit settings back to their default configuration. If you've changed preferences, enabled advanced options, or you're troubleshooting unexpected behavior, resetting the settings can help you start fresh. In this guide, I'll show you how to reset BleachBit settings on Windows step by step. Let's get started. First, open BleachBit and click Edit, then select Preferences. This is where BleachBit stores options such as update notifications, cleaning preferences, expert mode, and other application settings. Reviewing your current settings before making changes is always a good idea. Next, review each Preferences tab and return any customized options to their default values. For example, if you've enabled expert mode, you can turn it off by clearing the checkbox in the General tab. If expert mode was previously enabled, you can also use reset warning confirmations to restore the default warning prompts. If you added custom folders, whitelist entries, or drive locations in the Preferences window, remove any entries you no longer want. This returns those sections to a clean configuration without affecting your personal files. After saving your changes, close BleachBit completely and open it again. Restarting the application ensures your updated preferences are loaded correctly before you begin using it. If you're still experiencing problems after resetting your preferences, you can uninstall BleachBit, install the latest version, and then configure your settings again. A fresh installation can help if configuration files have become corrupted or you're unsure which changes caused the issue. And that's how to reset BleachBit settings. Restoring the default preferences can help resolve configuration issues and give you a clean starting point for future cleanups. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.